Navigate to the Maintenance Filter option by tapping the hand icon. Tap Maintenance Filter. Choose left or right vat if necessary for split vats. Answer yes to the Maintenance Filter question. Ensure you have the gloves and brushes necessary to perform the task. Confirm with a yes. Ensure the filter pan and its cover are in place. Confirm with a yes. The fry pot drains into the filter pan. The screen displays Scrub Vat Complete. With the vat empty, scrub it and the elements. Lift the elements to scrub the bottom of the vat. Clear ports at the rear of the vat of any debris. When finished, confirm with a yes. The screen asks, wash vat? Answer yes. Oil flows across the bottom of the vat, washing away debris. The display asks, wash again. Answer no if the vat is clear of debris. The vat is rinsed. Oil rises in the vat and drains, rinsing the complete vat. The display asks, rinse again. Answer no if the vat is clear of debris. The display asks, polish. Answer yes. A polish countdown timer is displayed. Oil flows from the filter pan to the vat and out the open drain valve. Debris suspended in the oil is removed as it moves through the filter paper and the inline filter. The countdown timer expires and the display becomes fill vat. Answer yes. A timer counts down as the vat fills. Bubbles form as the vat fills and the filter pan and return lines empty. The display asks if the vat is full. Answer yes. Pressing no will run the pump again. With a yes answer, the vat goes to off.